friends, I'm Utkarsha, and in this video we will see finite automata and its steps and the conversion of NFA to DFA with the help of JFlap. Introduction of finite automata. Finite automata FA is the simplest machine to recognize patterns. The finite automata or finite state machine is an abstract machine which have 5 elements or tuple. It has a set of states and rules for moving from one state to another, but it depends upon the applied input symbol. Basically, it is an abstract model of a digital computer. The figure shows some essential features of a general automation, that is input, output, states of automata, state relation, output relation. A finite automata consists of the following 5 tuples. First one is Q, finite set of states. Second is summation, set of input symbols. Q, initial state. F, set of final states. Delta, transition function. Formal specification of machine is Q summation Q F delta. We will see types of finite automata. First one is deterministic finite automata DFA. Second one is non-deterministic finite automata. We will see about deterministic finite automata in deep. First one is deterministic finite automata DFA. The finite automata is called deterministic finite automata if there is only one path for a specific input from current state to the next state. DFA consists of 5 tuples Q, summation Q, F, delta. Q is a set of all states. Summation is the set of input symbols which machine takes as an input. Q, initial state, starting state of a machine. F, set of final states. Delta, transition function. In a DFA, for a particular input character, the machine goes to one state only. A transition state is defined on every state for every input symbol. Also, in DFA, null move is not allowed. That is, DFA cannot change state without any input character. Next is non-deterministic finite automata NFA. The finite automata is called non-deterministic finite automata if there are more than one path for a specific input from the character state to the next state. NFA consists of 5 tuples, that is Q, summation, Q, F, delta, same as the DFA, and their meaning is also same as the DFA. NFA is similar to DFA except the following additional features. Null move is allowed, that is, it can move forward without reading symbols. Ability to transmit to any number of states for a particular input. However, these above features does not add any power to NFA. If we compare both in terms of power, both are equivalent. Due to additional features, NFA has a different transition function. Rest is same as DFA. As you can see, in a transition function is for any input including null. NFA can go to any state number of states. Now we will see conversion of NFA to DFA. The following 4 steps are required for conversion of NFA to DFA. Now we will see conversion of NFA to DFA on a JFlap. The above example is required for solving NFA to DFA. The example is consider the following NFA and convert it into DFA using JFlap. Open the JFlap using Java platform. Then next goes to the finite automaton. Next goes to state creator. We require 3 states Q0, Q1, Q2. Then goes to attribute editor. Q0 is the initial state, Q2 is the final state. Then goes to the transition editor. Q0 to QA is A. one is a AB. Next is AAB. Third one is AB. Fourth one is AAB. And last is ABA. Now run the inputs. We get the result. ABA is the result. Now goes to convert to DFA, complete and done. We get a DFA